Hey guys, Timothy Thomas here, and guys, want to record a video talking about the 12-minute affiliate program. Guys, this program is absolutely exploding. It is incredible, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Now, guys, before you go any further, if you're new to the channel, this is your first time coming to the channel, guys, and you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, the notification, and guys, when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Guys, my channel is about making money from home and being your own boss, being the CEO of your life, doing what you want to do, going where you want to go, stay as long as you want to stay. Guys, that is incredible. Guys, we want to offer training and support. Developing a skill set not only can help you in one business, but in multiple businesses, guys, that you can be successful in every walk of your life. Guys, be motivated today. Guys, I want to talk about this brand new system that we got, the 12-minute affiliate, guys. Stay tuned. I've got a check I'm going to show you that I got from Clickbank. Clickbank sent me a check. And it's all due to the 12-minute affiliate. I've been wanting to make money on Clickbank for a long time. I've dabbled a little bit, but now, guys, I'm really in the game, and I'm excited about it, and you can be too. I want to call this Clickbank for beginners, guys. This is a done-for-you system. The web pages are set up. The funnels are set up. All you do is drive the traffic. You point and click. You place ads. You do solo ads. It has training on how to get traffic. And guys, it has a done-for-you traffic resource. You decide how much traffic you want to send to the system, and you're off to the races. Guys, that is exciting. Brand new system, guys, just out of about a month ago. And it's been beta tested. And I'm going to show you my results here towards the end of the video. So stay tuned for the next 13 minutes, guys, and we'll go through it. Okay, brand new training, the top secret of 100K affiliates, guys. We have a 100K affiliate Facebook group. When you become a member of the 12-minute affiliate program, you will get access to our support group. It is a group that is has highly motivated individuals. We share testimonials, we share success strategies, all in that Facebook group, and you want to be a part of that group. Now, guys, we want to introduce you to a system that has the exact 100% dummy-proof system that can be used to pocket up to $460 per day in online commissions, and how you can copy in as little as 12 minutes, even if you're on a tight budget. Guys, you can when you go to the link below the video, this you can go to the next web class. It resets, guys, every 15 minutes. There's a class being held, and you can go to the automated system and be a part of that class. In that class, guys, in that webinar, you're going to find out what is covered, step-by-step demonstration, the secret that $100,000 affiliates are using. If you ever want to know what the top 5 affiliate marketers are doing to pocket thousands of commissions, guys, you'll find the answer. The secret to daily commissions, how to pocket daily commissions for places like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Clickbank. The 12-minute method, 3 easy steps that can make affiliate marketing work for you, even if you're brand new, even if you fell in the past, don't have thousands of dollars to get started. The pizza box method, guys, how to get traffic, targeted traffic to your email list to buy any affiliate product that you want. Guys, with this system, not only are you're going to be able to market, number one, this system itself. The 12-minute affiliate program, guys, can make you $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month just marketing over time the program itself. And then on the back end, it has products plugged in the back end that will automatically be marketed on your behalf. So you can literally wake up to sales on a daily basis. And guys, once you get it started, you know, success doesn't happen overnight, but when you get it started and you get the traffic going, sales can come automatically with this system. And that is so exciting with the 12-minute affiliate program. Now, guys, when you say you grab your seat, it's going to come you to another page like this. If you want to become a partner, if you want to market the 12-minute affiliate program, we're going to hear from what Devon has to say about this program. So check this video out, guys, and we'll come back to you.
Hey, what's up, JVs and affiliate partners? Devon Devon Brown here. Congratulations on making your way to the JV page for the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, I just wanted to make this quick video to go over a couple of important things with you before you start promoting your Clickbank link and start earning those awesome commissions with 12-minute affiliate. Now, as you probably know already, because you're on this page somewhere, when you promote the 12-minute affiliate system, you can make money two different ways. Number one, you can make ongoing residual or recurring income, which is awesome. And number two, you also have the ability to make huge, big-ticket one-time commissions of up to $398.50 per sale. And so the great thing is, when you promote, you can make both. You can make some awesome residual income, and you can make the giant one-time commissions that we all love making. Now, real quick, before you scroll down below and grab your Clickbank affiliate link and start promoting the system, let me go ahead and tell you real quick, you're definitely going to want to put yourself on the JV notification list. You should see a little opt-in box down below. That way, I'll be able to giveaways. Sometimes we'll be giving away like free vacations and stuff. If you want to get notified,
Guys, they gave me a free vacation to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, so I'm really stoked about that.
Of any of that stuff, make sure you put your name on the JV notification list below. Now, for those of you guys who don't know me and who are not familiar with 12-minute affiliate, allow me just to take a quick minute and tell you what the heck this system is and what it's about. The bottom line is that this is something that you are going to be proud to promote to your list, because it's something that actually gives a crap ton of value to the people who buy it. What we've done is that we've made affiliate marketing as easy as everyone else has always promised it would be. And so what the 12-minute affiliate system does is it allows anybody, regardless of how new they are, to copy my exact affiliate marketing strategy. So all the web pages are already done for them. All the follow-up messages are already done for them. The best products to promote, I've already included them in the system. And all somebody really has to do is log into the system, personalize the system with their affiliate details, right? So they can grow their email list and make the commissions. And then the system does the majority of the work. And in addition to that, we give them ongoing support and ongoing training. As a matter of fact, if you're on this page and you are a newer or new to intermediate affiliate marketer, and you're not yet making $100,000 a year promoting affiliate products, you might want to actually check out the system for yourself. I promise you, it really is that good. But regardless of whether or not you check out the system for yourself, I know you're probably ready to start promoting, and you're ready to start earning those residual commissions, and you're ready to start earning those big dollar commissions. And so what I've done is all of your affiliate and JV materials are down below. We've got the banner ads for you. We've got the email swipes for you. We've got your Clickbank hot links for you. Everything you need is easy on this page. My suggestion, because this offer is so awesome, is that you just go crazy on it. You promote, if you're promoting this to your list, just do a whole week-long promo. And again, your links are down below, and see how many commissions you can earn. And also, just know that we're keeping an eye on you guys as affiliates. And so whenever we see an affiliate who's really stepping up, earning those big commissions, sending good traffic, rest assured, we're seeing that, and we definitely want to reward those of you guys who are doing awesome and sending a lot of business our way, right? Not just reward you in residual commissions and big ticket commissions, but also with some other stuff, because this is all about relationships. So, that's pretty much it. Again, congratulations and thank you for making your way to this JV page for the 12-minute affiliate system. Number one, get yourself on the JV notification list. You'll see the opt-in box below. Number two, check out the system for yourself if you're a newer affiliate marketer. And number three, promote hard and make those commissions over and over and over again. All right? That's all I got. Again, my name is Devon Brown. Thanks so much for your time. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Absolutely incredible information, guys. This is what we're seeing as far as earnings per click, guys. You decide to promote the 12-minute affiliate program. This is some of your earnings that you can get per click, and that's really exciting with the 12-minute affiliate program. Guys, how to get started? You join Clickbank. It is free to join. Grab your promotional link, and guys, start marketing the program if you are an advanced marketer. Now, guys, we've got email swipes, promo email swipes. If you got an existing list, guys, if you don't have an existing list, guys, this is your opportunity to begin to build you an email list. It'll be set up with Aweber. Guys, here are our banners that we can place in various places. And guys, these banners work. I got several banners placed throughout the internet, and it is driving unlimited amount of traffic to my 12-minute affiliate system. So I'm excited about that. Here are your links, guys. It goes to the webinars, and these webinars do all the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. Now, guys, let me tell you what. When you begin to market this business, again, you're selling the 12-minute affiliate program, which has unlimited lead capture pages for the 3 biggest niches out there. Make money online, personal development, and the third one is going to be make money online and weight loss. Weight loss, home-based business, personal development. These are the 3 biggest niches out there, guys. I'm able not only to sell businesses that deal with make money online, I can sell weight loss products with these funnels and personal development. These funnels have products that are already loaded. All you do is send traffic to them, and that is exciting about sending traffic to these funnels and watching them bring sales in for you. We even have a done-for-you traffic. You decide how much traffic you want, guys. A lot of people struggle with how to get traffic, guys. Not with the 12-minute affiliate. We have partnered with some of the top-tier affiliate traffic providers out there, and that is exciting. Guys, you decide how much traffic you want. Get traffic. You click that button. And, guys, order as much traffic as you can as often as possible, and you can start seeing commissions on a daily basis with the 12-minute affiliate. Now, guys, one thing I like about this program, let's talk about the products. The products are chosen some of the highest converting products that are on Clickbank. And not only will you be able to market the 12-minute, you can market any product, the ones that's already preloaded, or you can do a custom funnel and load whatever you want, whatever offer you got. Look at this, guys. I have been able to grow my list by over 1,000 people since I joined the 12-minute affiliate. And guys, this is my list. I own it. These people, you may be watching this video. You might be on my email list. You may get an email from me every day talking about success, working at home, or an affiliate offer, or some training, or some value. And it all comes from growing this list. Guys, I got 23 subscribers today, 14 yesterday, just by the traffic. So, guys, when a lot of people are going to come in and they're going to buy the 12-minute affiliate. And if they don't buy the 12-minute affiliate, maybe they'll buy another product. But when you offer value, guys, over and over and over again, people get excited. So, guys, what you want to do, you want to click the link below and check out the next web class, how you can use this 12-minute affiliate system to explode your income, and, guys, how to market Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus products of your choosing. You have the funnels. The funnels are in the back office, guys. They're pretty exciting. Let's go over here and go to the home business section. These are done for you funnels. You just go. If you want a custom funnel, guys, here are the lead capture pages. And everybody that promotes on Clickbank you're gonna need a capture page. These are pre-built capture pages, guys, and this is so exciting. You can choose whichever one you like and market whatever product you want, all the way to 10 funnels, and you can be off to the races with the 12-minute affiliate program. You can, and guys, like I said, the email list that we can grow, again, is back over here. And this is the list that I'm growing. And guys, I can market any Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever affiliate product I'm promoting, provide training, talk to the list, provide tips, strategies for working at home, whatever. This list belongs to you and when you build this list. So that's the value behind it, guys. You're going to make money with the 12-minute affiliate program, number one. Number two, you can market the products that's already selected for you that are proven to convert, or at the same time, market whatever you want utilizing the 12-minute affiliate program, and that is absolutely powerful. So we're excited about that. So, guys, we're back on the Clickbank I want to promote, guys. and do it by popularity. You want a product, guys, that has gravity of 50 or higher, and gravity 50 higher means people are selling this product and they're making profit with it, and that's exciting to see. Clickbank University, people are making money with Clickbank University, so we're excited about that. The gravity on that is 32. John's program, John Cadessa's, is 60. So some great products in here, guys, that you can promote. Here is paid surveys. The average sale is $84. $1 trial converting. 1 out of 30 hops, newest converting survey site, club redirect jobs. So this is a good one to promote. The gravity is 51. Paid surveys, so we're excited about that program. Well, let me go over here. Some more. Here's another one, guys. But yeah, you want to choose a program, guys, that has a gravity of 50 or higher, and that means that you got 50 affiliates that week selling that product. So, guys, you can market again the 12-minute affiliate program itself, or any program that deals with those 3 niches on Clickbank, JB Zoo, or Warrior Plus. And guys, towards the end of this video, I want to show you what came in. I had a check from Clickbank, my very first check with 12-minute affiliate. I had some success in the past, but guys, here's some more. Here's a check that came in from Clickbank. So I'm excited about my check, and you can earn a check just like that too. You see the amount right there. Okay, guys, so that is official Clickbank check, guys, and they will get bigger as time goes on. I'm looking to make $10,000 per month in Clickbank, and over time I think I can build that income to that and have monthly income of 10 grand or more per month with Clickbank. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like the video, share, pass it along, and we'll see you on the next video.